use my wireless technology. I have to buy a wire. I know, right? Okay, so the first one right there. Most of you should remember from about the 5th grade or last year, if you were in my class, because we did a lot of this. Oh, not responding. Frozen already.
Actually,
yeah, it was. Okay, we're good now. Of course, you remember that. Nope, not responding. Frozen already. High quality. You, of course, remember that 8 over 63 divided by 4/7 is the same as times 7/4. And, of course, you did not go 8 times 7 and 63 times 4 because that got you gigantic numbers. You remembered that 4 goes into 4 once, goes into 8 twice. 7 goes into 7 once, into 2/9 is the answer. Right? Right. Some of you probably wrote 56 over 252, which would, of course, get you full marks because it's technically right. But in my head, I will be giggling at you. If you have the personality and the strength of character to, when I'm marking your work, to know that I'm going in my head, then you don't need to simplify. But, of course, you do need to simplify. Right? Right. Next one. Of course, you collected like terms. You did the x squareds with the x squareds and did 10 plus -2 to get 8x squared. Then, of course, you did -7x plus 2x to get -5x. Then, of course, you did +6 minus 9 to get -3. And you all remembered how to collect like terms. Ooh, downloading and installing software. What am I getting? It's like Christmas. Adobe Acrobat! Oh, I've been waiting for this for days. Really? Yeah, I'm dead serious, but I have to stop because I don't think it'll work if OneNote is working. I'm going to wait a minute. We'll go to number 3 while we're at it. Who has an answer for number 3 for me?
Me.
I know Amshiman does. What is it, Amshiman?
All right, for zero faces, it's 125.
It is exactly 125.
For one face, it's 150.
150.
2, it's 60.
60.
And 3 is 8.
3 is 8.
Total adds up to 50.
Does everybody know how to do it? Everyone gets it? Because it starts out as a cube, yes? I'm going to cheat, and I'm only going to do a cube of 3 by 3. Because the concept is the same. If I dip that in paint, this whole corner is going to be covered, yes?
Yeah.
So, even if the cube gets bigger, only the corners are going to be covered in paint, yes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, no problem, yeah? All these guys in the middle are going to be covered on 2 faces, yes? Mm-hmm. So right now there's 1, but on a 7 by 7, these 2 won't count, so it's 5 across the middle, yes?
Yep.
Everybody with me? Okay. And then the zeros are the middle. So it's 5 by 5 by 5. So there's 125 cubes in the middle that paint will never touch. Everybody cool? Still not done. Oh, it's still updated. Son of a bee. What was number 4? Oh, this is also recording too. I'll just pause that. It pays the bills. We got to here. What kid is right? What kid is wrong?
Student A is wrong. Student B is right.
Student A is wrong. B is right. Even though they got the same answer. Now, I put this question in on purpose because a lot of kids screw up exponent laws. And they come to me with their tests and they do something like student A. And they say, but I got the right answer. Shouldn't I get a mark? No, you shouldn't. Because it just happened to accidentally work out that you did the right things in the wrong way and got the answer that happened to be right. Do you understand what I am saying? That is why I need to see work. Cool? All right, model train. I said backwards and forwards, but what does that mean in math?
Plus and minus.
Positive and negative. And where does he end up?
Positive, 6.1.
6.1 meters forward. And how would we write that in math class?
Plus.
Positive. How would we write it in physics class? Positive. How would we write it in chemistry class? Positive. How would we write it if we were drawing a treasure map? Positive. Okay? Now, this one, I'm sure a lot of you went old school and turned them all into improper fractions.
Yep.
So much extra work. When you can go -2 plus 4 minus 2. What's that?
Yeah.
0.
Yeah.
So do any of those numbers matter? No. So you really have -3/4 plus 1/3 minus 5/6. And what do you have there? Can you do that? No, you need what? What is the common denominator? 12. And then, of course, you convert everything up here to -9 plus 4 minus 10 to get what? -15 over 12, which you then, of course, change to -1 1/4 or -5/4. Yeah? Yeah. Now, I'm going to stop there. I have my reasons. You guys make sure 9, 10, 11, and 12 are done.